Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Hollow Knight Silksong game crashing at startup, crashes to desktop, not launching, won't launch, Unity crash error, freezing problem, not loading, stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on PC. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. The first fix is to delete the config files. Now first create a backup because all saved settings will be lost. So if you agree, then in Windows search type registry and open it. Click yes to allow. Then navigate to hkey_current_users software and then expand Team Cherry, and under Team Cherry you will see Hollow Knight Silksong. Just right click on it, then click on export to keep the backup and export it to desktop, and then right click on Hollow Knight Silksong and then click on delete to delete it. Click yes to confirm, and then you can launch the game and check if the problem is solved or not. Next solution is to delete the save game files. Now again you have to create the backup of this folder because all the game progress will be lost. So if you agree, then open File Explorer, go to C drive, users, your username folder, app data folder. If you don't see app data folder, then click on this view, and in the drop down you will see the show hidden items. So check mark hidden items, then open app data folder, then open local low folder, then open Team Cherry folder. Now right click on Hollow Knight Silksong and then copy and paste it to desktop first, and then right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game folder and select delete to delete it. Now you can relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Third solution is to modify the game launch option. So open Steam, right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game and select properties. In the launch options type -dx11, close the tab, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and in the launch option type -dx12 and then close it and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then remove this command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fourth solution is to run Hollow Knight Silksong game as an admin. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Hollow Knight Silksong game, click on manage and select browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. The path is C drive, program files x86, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, Hollow Knight Silksong folder. Then right click on Hollow Knight Silksong exe file and select properties. Then go to compatibility tab, then tick mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here itself and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then modify the compatibility settings. Right click on Hollow Knight Silksong exe file, select properties, go to compatibility tab, this time check mark run this program in compatibility mode from drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down from here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then in the compatibility tab check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then again go to the compatibility tab, untick all these three options, then hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Sixth solution is to allow Hollow Knight Silksong through Firewall or antivirus program. So in Windows search for Windows Security and open it. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through Control Folder Access. Click yes to allow. Then click on Add an allowed app. Then click on Browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. Browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam app, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder, open Hollow Knight Silksong folder and then here select Hollow Knight Silksong exe file and click open to add it to the list. Now go back, then click on Firewall and Network Protection, then click on Allow an app through Firewall, then click on Change settings, then click on Allow another app, then click on Browse and then browse to C drive, program files x86, Steam apps, common, Hollow Knight Silksong folder. Now select Hollow Knight Silksong exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked, then click OK to save changes. and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to allow the game exe file through your third party antivirus program as well. So if you are using any third party antivirus program such as Avast, Komodo, Bitdefender, Kaspersky, if you are using any third party antivirus program, then allow the Hollow Knight Silksong game through antivirus program as well. Or you can also turn off your antivirus program for a while and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Seventh solution is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open Hollow Knight Silksong folder. Select Hollow Knight Silksong exe file and then click on add. After adding it, expand it and click on drop down next to GPU preference and select high performance. Then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Eighth solution is to update graphics card driver. So simply update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are an AMD user, go to the AMD site. If you are NVIDIA user, go to NVIDIA website. If you are Intel user, then go to Intel website. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. The links are provided in the description. And once you are on the NVIDIA website, you have to select your version of graphic card driver from here and then select Windows operating system, then click on find. Now the latest version will be on the top, so click on this view and then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then click on custom advanced option and then click on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then click on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Ninth solution is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controller, disconnect multiple monitor connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Trustmaster racing wheel, close all the overclocking applications such as Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager, close all of your tabs to free up the RAM, unplug external devices such as HOTAS, pedals, racing wheel, Razer Tetris, turn off Razer Synapse, Razer Lighting Effects and MSI Dragon Center, Corsair software, remove the Underworld and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then disable overlay, disable Steam overlay, go to your Steam library, right click on Hollow Knight Silksong, select properties, then turn off enable the Steam overlay while in game option, toggle it off. Disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, go to settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay app such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can launch the game and check. Now 11th solution is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft official website, link is provided in the video description. Scroll down, click on x86 and click on x66 version, download both the version, then click on this x86 version. Now if you see repair button, then click on repair. If you see install button, then install it, click yes to allow, then click on x64 version also. Now if you see repair option, then repair it. If you see install option, then install it, click yes to allow. And after the installation of both the x86 and x64 version, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam and go to library, right click on Hollow Knight Silksong and select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the files, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. 13th solution is to update Windows. So click on Windows icon, go to settings, on the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates. and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then restart your PC once. And after restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. 14th solution is to uninstall and reinstall Hollow Knight Silksong game. So if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall Hollow Knight Silksong game from your PC, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game. You can reinstall in SSD. If you have earlier installed the game on local drive, C drive, then this time install the game on external drive, E drive or F drive, but install it on SSD, and then launch the game and check. If earlier you have installed the game on E drive or F drive, that is external drive, then this time install the game in local drive, C drive, and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you will be able to fix the Hollow Knight Silksong game crashing at startup, crashes to desktop, not launching or won't launch problem, Unity crash error, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading issue, or black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.